Hey everyone, welcome to The Trip with Tammy. We're on our way to Mont Choisy. Let's go check it out. This is the drive. We're going in Tammy, not a bus. This is Tammy. Tammy. You ready?
Yep.
So this is Sunset Boulevard. We're starting from here. And there's the beach over there. Well, not the beach, the sea.
Grand Baie.
Grand Baie. Over here's a new Le Caz, which is a new restaurant. Over here. I'm going to tell you left and right. I've got to try to figure those out. So anyway, left is the police station, right?
Yep,
Left.
that's the police station.
Left, right. Chinese garden restaurant. We're going to come eat here. We're going to come try out. The guy said we can come eat here, so that's awesome. And now we're actually heading along Grand Baie Road, Grand Baie Royal Coastal Road.
Sushi place.
There's a sushi place there on the left. On the right, there's some residences, some houses and things. And there's a bus stop right here. Bus stop is right here next to La Canise.
The Canise, Chinese restaurant as well.
Yes, and there's also Chun Po, which is a Chinese restaurant on the right. And this is Beach Hut, one of the famous South African restaurants here on the beach. They're actually on the beach here, and they have great parking as well. So if you need parking, great views,
great food. So the mosque, I don't know the name of the mosque. You guys will have to let me know. Is here on the left. Wow, I'm gonna get my left and right so confused. And then there's the church on the right there. Yeah, one of the Notre Dames.
With also great beach views. And this is the traffic light, the first traffic light.
And magazine shop on the corner. This shop is very important. You can get all your plastic goodies, not on a Sunday apparently, but every other day. All your plastics and all sorts of knickknacks, sewing items, fabric dyes, you name it. If you're looking for it, they probably have it.
And almost everything shop.
Right here on the corner.
And then straight ahead is the Coast Guard. Well, Tammy. So the Coast Guard there. Oh, that's a cool Vespa.
Yeah.
Anyway, so that's the Coast Guard there. And there's also a little shrine. A small shrine out here, actually in the sea here. So you've got the sea on the sides.
Oh yeah, you got the sea on the sides.
So you can see a little bit of the sea. And a couple of restaurants here that haven't been open for a while. But Le Tandoor is open.
Cool.
So,
great Indian restaurant.
So yeah, so that's good news. They've been closed for quite a while now.
Yeah.
And then you've got your Kankarees and home decor and Zoomania.
Zoomania, important for all your pet goods.
So the pet goods, and on the other side there is the actual vet.
Yeah,
but there's also another Animania. Wow. So there are quite a few snack shops. It looks like quite a few things are closed. It is a Sunday, guys. We're going to Mont Choisy on a Sunday, so
yeah,
quite a few of the places are actually closed. So there are a lot of shops here, a lot of little tobaccies and that sort of thing. Tobacco actually means like a snack, but they sell regular food. There's a temple coming up on the right.
Yeah, so if anyone's talking about the temple in Grand Baie,
this is the one that they probably mean.
They're referring to.
Oh, it needs to be repaired. They haven't painted that one in a while.
I know, it's getting a bit dull.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll do it before Cavity next year.
Yeah. Anyway, El Capitan, one of the best restaurants or highest rated. El Capitan,
yep, seafood restaurant on the sea.
Right there, the sea is right there, the bay. With all the ships and everything.
Let's give you a different angle view.
Out the window, bus coming past everyone. Okay, now straight ahead is where Harley Davidson used to be. And then Riki's going to swing it around. We're going to slow down a little bit so that you can see out her window. This is where the Royal Enfield is now.
Okay, Royal Enfield motorbikes.
So Royal Enfield motorbikes are there now.
Cool.
And they
this traffic light never works.
It's
always just on orange, so you just...
Riki's favourite building. She loves this building.
It's the ugliest building. Tell me if I'm wrong. The ugliest building with that green glass. I don't know what it is. I'm sorry whoever made it, but it's really ugly.
Okay, down here is more resorts and...
I'm usually not judgmental about buildings, but that one
does her in. So down here there are quite a few places to stay and more shops that are closed. Why is everything closed?
And you can see typically no sidewalks. This is Grand Baie.
Yes, this is still Grand Baie, so no sidewalks. Chinese restaurant, haven't seen that one before. I don't know what Edge Beach parking is.
Eden Beach is a hotel, it's a resort.
Okay,
so that's obviously their parking.
Right, so they've got their parking there.
Yeah.
So we're allowed to go a little bit faster here. Well, the speed limit is 60 here, but we normally do 40.
Yeah.
Because we're not a bus.
No. But this is quite a pretty area now as you're heading towards Pointe Cananeas.
You have more exclusive hotels and things. Just up ahead is Ocean Villas, which is
Villas,
quite
really nice hotel.
quite a fancy hotel, and they also have a restaurant
And the beach
attached to it.
kitchen, yeah.
Yeah, so, and there are people in there, they're
Pretty
tourists.
fancy.
I actually literally saw tourists in there, so awesome, there's a tourist there. And then there are a few little restaurants here that are sort of, I suppose, catered to the
Yeah,
the
pizza
hotels and
place,
things,
which is apparently
yeah.
really good.
and
I
then
have
down
heard. La Cigale.
fancy hotels down here.
Fancy
down
hotels, down the side roads, towards the
Yeah.
beach.
and
Seafood restaurants. Kangaroo, that means hardware store.
and then just up ahead is Aqua Blue, where we just did a video that you'll see slightly in the future.
Yeah.
With
Katsu
Katsu
and Aqua Blue for all your kayaking. And I think there's a nightclub here.
nightclub, and then
Anya uses made in Mauritius like duck and all sorts of fabulous restaurant.
And here is the teleporter to France. This is actually one of the most famous, we're going to slow down for a little bit, one of the most famous patisseries in all of Mauritius.
Yes, boulangerie, 4-0 boulangerie.
Very, very famous.
You go there to get all your baguettes and your pastries and your deliciousnesses.
And then this is a little bit more of a trendy area. I'd say they've got art galleries.
A lot
and
of art galleries.
Some fancier snacks and restaurants.
And,
There's also the jeweler here.
Yeah, famous jeweler.
Famous jeweler, and the medical center, the
Yeah.
North,
Medical center.
where you come and get your
All your testing done
Yeah.
and things like that. And here you'll find quite a lot of the estate agents.
Yes.
Thank you Remax for popping up
Popping up at
and
the
reminding
right
me.
time.
So a lot of estate agents in this area, property, as you can see. Wow,
Yeah.
there really are quite a lot.
They really
and
are.
Tulip and Lace, where I get my necklaces, and they do great clothing.
Okay, and then there's
Yeah.
Roots here, which is a restaurant.
Roots Restaurant, fabulous cafe. They do salads and amazing things.
And then Selfish, which
Selfish, awesome.
Clive, go visit Clive there. He'll give you a
Great
beer.
pub. There's a secret area around the back. It is amazing.
And then we're coming up on the roundabout. This is the Pointe Cananeas roundabout, and if you go right up here, you got the Buccaneers and all the fancy restaurants. If you go left here, you're on your way to, well, Triolet, but Mont Choisy
Beach.
Mont Choisy Beach. What I'm going to
I think
do
it's
is
one of the longest
Yeah.
public beaches in Mauritius, if not probably the longest.
probably. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep driving down the Mont Choisy road, and we'll take you all the way, and we'll try and show you a little bit of the Mont Choisy side and the bush side. Because
Yeah.
this is going to be a smart city, but it's still bush. They're going to
Yes.
keep it as a nature reserve.
To the left is the nature reserve of Mont Choisy Smart City, so that remains
Yeah.
a nature reserve. They've actually got deer in there. Would
Actual
you believe?
deer, would you believe? And then there's a fancy all-inclusive like on the right. But then Mont Choisy Beach starts now. We're at Mont Choisy. This is Mont Choisy Beach.
Wow,
So
look at
everyone-
these people.
There are people here. But this is the very beginning of it. It
It's
runs
a very
long way.
Very long beach.
Well, we'll show you as we go along it.
What's
and
different about this is there's not a lot of street food, and as you can see on the other side of the road, there's not restaurants or anything either.
So it's a little bit of an
Kind of a
odd one.
bring your biryani.
I wonder what they're building here.
I can't imagine.
But they must be building something.
Yeah, that's interesting. Right there
Maybe
at the
it's
beach.
yeah. Who knows?
Huh.
Okay, this is where there's more of the street food, so you can actually see
Okay,
a few of the.
Got some street foods here.
Yeah, they've got all the regulars that I can see.
I think there's a thing that you go find, a geocache somewhere at one of these street food
Really,
places.
we're gonna have to try and find that geocache.
Yeah, if it's
Awesome.
still there.
But as you can see, this is a really long way,
really,
and the sea
really
is right
long.
next to us. Well, you can't see it. Oh, there's some demolished houses here. And the toilets, there are toilets there,
Yeah.
so I do see the toilets. We'll probably come and do our live from here, or you probably already watched that if you watched that.
This is just how you get to, and Mont Choisy Beach is continuing.
It's
As
still
we're driving,
going.
this is all Mont Choisy Beach. Beautiful white sands just through those trees. Happy
Yeah.
families partying on Mont Choisy Beach.
It's a long way. Now we're getting towards
Really
the football
long
field.
beach.
So the football field is where the old airport used to be.
Yes, the first airport in Mauritius, right there. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn here at this road, and we're gonna head down to the end of Mont Choisy Beach.
Down this road is Beach and Balaclava Resort and all that stuff. Come, buddy. There you go.
I flashed my light so that guy could go. Just so you guys know, that's what you do in Mauritius.
Yeah.
If the car's behind you because you've been driving so slow doing video, it's better to let that person go than let them get stuck behind my traffic.
Absolutely.
So this is the
monument to the first aircraft landing in Mauritius.
and then
Came
it
from
says
Reunion.
Mont Choisy Beach there. We're going to drive down to the end of the road as far as we possibly can. There's some resorts next to us.
Yeah, hotels and things.
But
The
I
road
think-
actually ends here with a hotel.
Yeah, so this is...
Tarissa's Resort and Spa.
Well, I'm going to stop the car here. Hop out. Tammy will ping at you.
She's just letting you know.
And now we've made it. So everyone, from me and Riki, that's Riki there. This is me here. Thanks for watching. And that was the ride from Mont Choisy.
See you later at the beach.
See you later at the beach.